Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Get ready to sprinkle some serious holiday magic into your crafting today. We're diving right into one of my favorite seasonal projects, this gorgeous miniature Christmas dresser. Just look at this little piece. It's painted in that beautiful classic festive green, and the drawers feature an enchanting snow-covered Christmas village scene. It perfectly captures that cozy holiday cheer we all love. It's truly a little world packed into one beautiful piece. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the entire assembly process, from start to finish. We'll be transforming flat sheets of printed paper into this incredible, three-dimensional miniature piece. Don't worry if you're new to paper crafting. I'll break down every step clearly. Before we get started, let's quickly gather what you'll need. You likely have most of these items already. First, your printed kit pages. We recommend using sturdy paper, often called cardstock paper. That's about 160 to 200 grams per square meter. This weight gives the piece the perfect balance of flexibility and sturdiness. Next, a good pair of scissors, or if you have one, a cutting plotter like a Cricut or Silhouette, which makes precision cuts super fast. You'll also need your preferred craft glue. Any quick-drying liquid craft glue or a high-quality glue stick will work great. And finally, you'll need a tool for scoring. This is key. You can use an awl, a dull knitting needle, or even a non-writing pen to score your fold lines. This creates a clean crease for perfect folding. Now, here is my biggest pro tip for miniature paper crafting, and it's the secret to a professional finish. Precision is everything. When you score and fold your pieces, focus on making those creases crisp and precise. Try to get those folds as close to a perfect 90-degree angle as you can. When the creases are clean and sharp, every piece will line up perfectly, the drawers will slide smoothly, and your final piece will look completely seamless. A little patience goes a long way here. And hey, if something doesn't line up perfectly the first time, don't get discouraged. We're all learning, and that's what this process is about. You can always hit undo or reprint a piece and try again. It's all part of the fun of doing it. Once you've finished building this adorable miniature dresser, the uses are endless. This isn't just a simple craft. It's a piece of holiday decor you made yourself. You can use it as furniture for a dollhouse or a classic miniature room box. It makes a fantastic central piece for a Christmas-themed diorama or tabletop installation. Pop it onto your windowsill or mantle as a beautiful, unique piece of Christmas decoration. It's also a wonderful project for art therapy, a relaxing, focused activity to de-stress during the busy holiday season. And of course, it's perfect for anyone who simply loves miniature crafts and quality DIY. It's a tiny treasure that brings big joy. I hope you enjoy making this festive paper dresser as much as I enjoyed designing it. So grab your supplies, get cozy, and let's start creating. I'm so excited to see how your beautiful Christmas dresser turns out. Happy crafting! Have wonderful, joyous holidays, and let's get building.